Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. We still continue our lesson in chapter 10, and the lesson today we talk about volume of a prism. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define a right prism, find volume of a right prism, find unknown in a right prism. Before I present the new lesson today, let's answer some questions, class. Do you know the meaning of the word parallel line? Yeah, I think that most of you already know parallel lines. Parallel line is two lines that are indistinct apart and they will never touch each other. So now, help me to answer one more question, class. How do you define the meaning of parallel planes? Yes, in similar way, class. Parallel planes are the two-dimensional surface that don't intersect. It means that the two-dimensional surfaces that are indistinct apart, like these two plane, class. This plane and these planes, they are indistinct apart and they won't touch each other. So we say two of these planes are parallel planes. To our lesson. So the first one, and here I talk about right prism per class. What is right prism? Here the definition of right prism. A right prism is a solid which has two parallel planes of the same shape and size. Also its lateral surface are perpendicular to its parallel end. Let's look at this figure, class. This figure, it has two parallel base or parallel plane here. The two parallel base, the yellow part right here. The yellow part right here is the parallel base, or we say two parallel plane. Okay, and the yellow part right here is the same shape and the same size, and the lateral surface, I mean the bodies of the figure, is perpendicular to its end here, perpendicular to its end. So when you saw a figure that had two parallel planes with the same shape and size, and its lateral surface perpendicular to its end like this, we say that solid is a right prism. And for this figure, it has a special name, class. Since it's base formed by triangle, that's why we name it as triangular prism. Similarly, this solid, it has two parallel planes that formed by rectangle, so we name it as triangular prism. This one also the same, class. The solid is formed by circle. That's why they name it as circular prism. Okay? So just remember that a right prism is a solid which has two parallel planes of the same shape, size, also in lateral surface, are perpendicular to its parallel ends. Of course, class, we have a lot of types of prism, but today I raise up only three of these solid first. Okay, next time you will know more about right prism. Just remember its definition right here. Okay, so let's go to the important part of the lesson. Is volume of a prism. What formula that you use to find volume of a prism? Here the formula, class. Volume of a prism, V volume equal to areas of cross section multiplied with distance between two parallel ends. So to find volume of a prism, you take area of cross section multiplied with the distance between two parallel ends. Don't be confused, class. The areas of cross section and the areas of parallel plane are the same. Okay, so mean that area of cross section mean that the yellow part right here. Okay, and the distance between two parallel ends mean the height of prism. Okay, one more time, class. Area of cross section is the areas of base, and the distance between parallel ends is the height of prism. In short, for the formula, we will say that volume of a prism equal to base area of the prism multiplied with the height of prism. Okay, so when you want to find volume of a prism, just find the base area of it and then multiply with the height of it. Like this solid, you can find the areas of this yellow part. After that, take that area, multiply with the height of it, you will get volume of that prism. Okay, so to be clear, let's see the example class. Example 1. Find volume of a triangular prism. This triangular prism, its height equal to 10 cm, and at here is its base, that the length of the side equal to 2 cm and the length of the side equal to 4 cm. So to find volume of it, you just find its base area multiplied with its height. We already know its height equal to 10, so help me to find base area, class. Since its base is a triangle, to find area of a triangle, as you know already, we take base of triangle multiply with height of triangle and then divide by 2. Here I write for you already. Base of triangle multiply height of triangle divide by 2, you will get area of base. So take area of this base multiply with height of prism, you will get volume of prism. You simplify it, 2 and 2, you will have only 4 left. So 4 times 10 equal to 40 centimeter cube. So the volume of this prism equal to 40 centimeter cube. Okay, so simple, right? Okay, let's go to example 2. Find the height x in the prism below, giving that volume equal to its volume equal to 160 centimeter cube. So in this example class, I don't want you to find volume of this prism. I already give you its volume equal to 160 centimeter cube. I want you to find the unknown in this prism. Okay, so to find the unknown in prism right here, I will use our formula volume of a prism to find unknown right here, because in this exercise they give you the volume, so you use the equation of volume to find the unknown. Okay, so let's see the solution all together. Here class, the solution, we use our formula volume equal to base area multiplied with height. Since we know that its volume equal to 160, so replace volume at here by 160, and base area, since its base is a triangle, so use the formula of finding area of triangle. Take base of triangle multiply with height of triangle and then divide by 2. Okay, and the height we use letter x to represent for it, so replace height here by letter x. So see, you already set up an equation that this equation x is unknown, so you just solve it to find unknown. So first you simplify the number in bracket right here, 4 and 2. You simplify it, you will have 2 times 8, so you will get 16. Okay, so your equation become like this: 160 equal to 16 multiplied by x. So to find x, you will take 160 divided by 16, you will get 10 centimeter. Okay, I hope that you already know how to solve the equation. So x right here equal to 10 centimeter. Yep. So we continue. Okay, go to exercise class. This exercise I want you to do by yourself, but I just want to explain you a little bit. I want you to calculate the volume of this prism if that L equal to 5 centimeter. Look at the figure, class. This prism, I already give you its area of cross section equal to 10 centimeter, and the height of it represented by letter L. Letter L here equal to 5 centimeter. So to find volume of it, it's easy. Just take base area of cross section at here, multiply with its height, you will get the volume of this prism easily, class. Okay, I hope that you can do it by yourself. So let's go to homeworks. Let me explain a little bit about homework, class. For homework here is not complicated. I recommend you to see the example 2 in my presentation. You will find unknown x easily. So use example 2 as the sample for you, class. Okay, that's all. Thank you, class.